everyone, I'm glad to see you. My name's Ty. You can call me David. I'm 11 years old. I'm in grade 5 at Rangdam Primary School. You see, I have several hobbies. For example, I like eating American food such as KFC, pizza, hamburger. I like drinking orange juice and Coca-Cola. I really like sleeping and playing games. In addition, I like playing football and volleyball. It makes me have good health. I'm afraid of snakes, tigers, lions, and bears. I'm good at math, literature, but not good at Vietnamese. I want to become a policeman. That's my dream. Thanks for listening.